Hello guys, this is Motion AR from Signbox software. In this tutorial we will cover while loop. It is also a repetition of statements. So let's see the syntax of a while loop with the single statement syntax. There is a difference in syntax, is that a for loop has a three parts, whereas a while loop has a single part, that is a condition part. There is also another difference, but let's start example first. So guys, this is our example in while loop. uh, this is another way of getting input from console. In previous video we used buffered reader class, and this time we use scanner class. So there are many other ways to get inputs from console. So this was our example. Now let's compile this program and let's see what will be the output of this program. Now it is asking for enter any character except lower n. So let me press a P. You pressed P. It is asking for enter any character except lower n. So R. You press R. G H I M. So now when I press enter, now let's see what will be the output. Sorry, you pressed character lower n. It will exit while loop. While loop executed 6 times. Goodbye. Now again let's start this program again. Q W E N. Sorry, you pressed character lower n. It will exit while loop. While loop executed 3 times. Goodbye. Now the second difference is that you never know how many times it will be executed, but in for loop you know the counterpart of for loop. In our example, while loop never knows when user will enter n character. So guys, this was a second difference in while loop. Now let's understand program line by line. This is the name of the class, main method, integer I equal to 0. Scanner is a basically class which takes inputs from console, and this will display the message, and these are the character sequences which we have already covered in previous video. And this scanner, this is the reference object of a scanner class, and in that we have a next line method. This next line method will return as a string, and by using a string we are telling that dot character at method which is present in a string, and this is the value of the method 0. So now when I compile this, when I run this program again, now the value of 0 is a Q, and value of 1 is a, value of 2 is a S, value of 3 is a D. Now if I pass here the 3, it will start from the 0 1 2 3. So 3 has a D, so now it will return a D character in character variable. Okay guys, so this is the method of a string class. You can also write it like this one. string s equal to scan dot read line, not read line but next line, character ch equal to s. Now s is of string dot character at index. Now our index, what index we want? I want index as 0, so now I will pass the 0 here, and it will get a character from 0 index, 0 location. This is the queue, and it will store, it will assign to the ch character variable. And after that we have a while loop. This will check a condition, whether the ch not equal to n, the condition will true, and if the condition is true, then we are printing the character which we have passed, and the second one again the message, and again the same line which we have already copied from this and paste it here, just because of when condition is true, again we want to ask from the user to enter any character to continue loop, and this will increment, and the value of I in first it is 0, then at the first condition is true, then the value of I will be 1, and it will executed until the user press character and lower n. So when the user press lower n, it will show this, it will display this statement, and after that will display the statement with the how many times the while loop has executed, and in the last it is a goodbye. So guys, this was an example of a while loop, and the next topic will be the do while loop. So hope you understand this program and this while loop topic. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe it and like the video if you like my video, and thank you.